In this use case, I'm going to show how a utility worker using Lumira can perform self-service BI, pulling assets out of SAP HANA for the utility and displaying them on an ArcGIS online map inside of Lumira. In other use cases, I showed how other parts of the utility can access SAP HANA data from ArcGIS Desktop using query layers and viewed incoming storms against those assets in the Storm Tracker Situational Awareness app co-developed by Critigen and SAP NS2. To pull the data from HANA into Lumira, I click on New Document. I'm going to download that data from SAP HANA. I already have an instance. I connect to it, and what will happen is I'll see the list of views. In this case, this is calculation view for Fort Pierce. I click Create. HANA will go get the data and bring it down. And once that data is down, I can create my geographic hierarchy. So in this particular version of Lumira, I need to create a text version of the asset ID in order to create the geographic hierarchy. I'll calculate to 8 decimal places or translate, and then once I've done that, I can now click on this and create my geographic hierarchy by lat and long. Now I happen to have my latitude is my y coordinate and my longitude is my x coordinate, and I will set the geographic level down to the subregion, although I can drill down to the points themselves, which I will do. I click Next and then Finish, and what happens is Lumira will create the geographic hierarchy, and once I have the geographic hierarchy, I can now display the points on a map. So I now have my geographic hierarchy. I now pick chart type, geomap, and what will happen is it will log into my ArcGIS online account specified earlier, and there it is. I'll pick the marker as my data point type, and then for the geo dimension, I'll pick the one I just created over to the left. And what it will do now is just show me at the country level that there are points in North America. I'm going to drill down all the way to the asset level, and at this point, we see all the points in this particular neighborhood in Fort Pierce, Florida, and I will zoom out. So self-service BI user can use Lumira to pull out assets, in this case for utility, from SAP HANA and display them on an ArcGIS online map inside of Lumira.